Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go into the Google browser here, type in download Windows 10. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Click on download Windows 10 ISO file. Should be the first one. Once you click, you go to the second option here. We don't want to update. We want to go down to it says download tool now. And here on the left hand, before you click on this, make sure you plug in a USB, one that will be formatted, so make sure it has no files you need on it. Once you open it, we'll just click on yes, and we'll just give it a second to load up. Once it's loaded up here, getting a few things ready, just let it do its thing. Alright, here we'll say agree. Alright, it'll just take a few minutes, so I'll just speed this up. Alright, here we want to create a bootable USB, so it's the second option. So it says here for this PC, but what we'll do is we'll take it off anyways, make sure. So we want it to be Windows 10 64-bit, so we're good to go. We'll say yes, and just make sure the USB has 8 GB or more of free space, or well, in general, like the total space. And this is the USB here. Make sure it's the right one you're clicking. You're not clicking on some SD card or something else you have plugged in. Click on next, and then from here we're just gonna leave it. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna speed it up because from here it's gonna take depends how fast your internet is, because it is downloading Windows 10, getting everything operated and ready for your USB. You don't have to do anything at this point. It's going to finish the whole process for you. One thing to keep in mind is when it's downloading Windows 10, it's downloading the latest version of Windows 10 from Microsoft. So maybe 6 months down the road you want to install Windows 10 with the same USB. You can, that's fine. But to prevent waiting for extra updates and stuff to finish, you can just go and download the new version or the updated version from Microsoft and just do this process again and create a fresh USB instead. So here we're just going to click on finish, and then it's going to close, and then this is going to be open, and this is just the files on the USB showing you the files that are put onto the USB. So you're good to go. Eject it, and we're ready to put it to use on any new computer you have to install it. Thanks for watching.